Hello, everyone. Welcome to a brand new week of the Forex market analysis. For the coming week, we'll be analyzing the AUDUSD, the AUDJPY, and the NZDJPY. As it has been duly noted, we have the AUDUSD, the AUDJPY, and the NZDJPY on the watch list for the coming week. The AUDUSD is trading on an uptrend line as it has been signified over here. But then the AUDJPY and the NZDJPY are confined within flags or symmetrical triangles depending on where you view it from. Let us start analyzing with the AUDUSD. We have an AUDUSD which has been trading on an uptrend line for close to a month or for more than a month. It is clear that the bulls are in control at the present moment. For the coming week, for the bullish momentum to remain intact, the bulls need to do a small test of the bullish trend line to go back upwards. But then my very much bias would be a break of the trend line for the bears to take over. Whatever goes up for a long time like this must definitely come down. So I'm more on the bearish side of the AUDUSD than on the bullish side. At least I'll let go of my bullish bias for the moment. AUDJPY, just like its positive correlation counterpart, the AUDUSD, has been also going up for months and it is clearly bullish. But then the best suited market structure that I could plot on it was this flag or this mini symmetrical triangle. For the coming week, it's a simple trade idea of waiting for the break of either the resistance of the triangle for the bulls to continue their move or wait for the break of the support of the triangle for the bears to take over this very bullish AUDJPY. But then with my very bearish bias on the AUDUSD, I'll be rooting for a bearish breakout of the AUDJPY, whilst I wouldn't be ruling out more bullishness. The NZDJPY has a similar setup to that of the AUDJPY, and it comes as no surprise because they are positive correlation counterparts. As you can see, they've all been bullish and they are all trading in a flag or a symmetrical triangle. So just like I said on the AUDJPY, I have a similar sentiment for the NZDJPY. So for the coming week, a break of the support of this market structure would render the NZDJPY towards the bearish side. But with the bullish side and with the way this very market structure is set up, the last candle close for the previous week is very near the resistance of the market structure. So just so I don't fall a victim to a false breakout, or you don't fall a victim to a false breakout, I would rather wait for the breakout of the resistance, then a retest of the resistance as a new support before we go back up. Else I would let go of any bullish bias on the NZDJPY, because this market structure actually seems like one that would be very good for fake outs on the bullish side. We have a very tight economic week facing us in this new month, but notable of these and very critical to our current trading pairs would be the ones on Tuesday. That would be the Reserve Bank of Australia's interest rate decision, which will be affecting all the pairs that we'll be looking at for the coming week. Then on Wednesday, we have the Fed interest rate decision, which will be very critical for the AUDUSD as well, and all the pairs alike. Then on Friday, we have the well-famed non-farm payrolls and then unemployment rate from the United States of America. That is it for the coming week. I wish you a profitable trading weekend. See you next week if there are any good setups.